Hello guys, we're going to configure our database, and first we are going to use SQLite. In the future you can just change this, you can use any kind of database you want. For this tutorial I'm going to use SQLite. Navigate to your endpoints.yml file and then uncomment this section. Type is SQLite, then the URL. Then you can just comment out this. This is how you configure your SQLite database. And the next thing that you're going to do, we are going to create a file called, let's change this so that you don't get confused. Property listings.db. Okay. This is our database for our property listings. Then we'll have default listings.json. This is just data that we're going to seed in our database so that we use that data. Then I already prepared my JSON file, and this is the data that I wanted to add. Okay, since we did these changes, first of all, let's see if this database will be created automatically after we run the shell. We have our properties listings.db file. It has been created automatically. Alright guys, so we are going to create a script that will actually seed all the data into the SQLite database. So let's create a script. It will be seed db seed.py. So you're going to import SQLite. So the next thing we're going to import JSON, then establish connection to the SQLite database. So we are going to connect on that database. Then the next thing is read property data from JSON file. Then we are going to create a property table if it doesn't exist. There we have it. Then the next thing we're going to insert insert the property data into the database. This is complete statement. Then after that, we commit the changes and close the connection. All right, everything looks good. Let's run this script. So the script is db underscore seed.py. All right, we have an issue. Operational error. Table properties does not column name. Oh, the error that we are getting is because I have not put the comma here. That's the issue. Let's see if we have any issue. Okay, guys, let's delete this SQLite3 file and then we run it again. Possibly this error will just not show up. Yeah, this is my current changes. This is what I did. I added try except so that I could catch any possible errors. Let's see the table of the SQLite file, okay? So select your DB, the SQLite file. You see, guys, we have our SQLite file. We have seeded everything inside the database, so everything is okay now. We know our database now is okay. The next thing now is we start implementing the intents.